Most Audi owners never touch their factory settings, but 5 of them quietly affect long-term reliability. In this video, I'll show you where they're hidden, what they actually do, and how to decide whether efficiency or longevity matters more to you. The final setting surprises a lot of owners. Setting number 1, Auto Start-Stop System. The Auto Start-Stop system resets to on every time you start your car, shutting off your engine at red lights and restarting when you release the brake. This feature prioritizes fuel economy and emissions compliance over driver preference. Modern Audi engines are specifically engineered to handle frequent restarts. The 2-liter and 3-liter T engines use specialized bearing coatings and maintain oil film during brief shutdowns, addressing the most common reliability concerns. However, the system does increase electrical component usage. Your starter motor and battery experience more cycles than traditional operation, though they're designed to accommodate this additional duty. The bigger consideration is driver comfort and habits. Many owners find the system intrusive and develop workarounds that can actually hurt efficiency more than the system helps. If you prefer traditional operation, you have simple options. The A-off button on your center console disables the system for your current drive, though you'll need to press it each time you start the car. For more permanent control, shifting into sport mode automatically disables start-stop and maintains that setting as long as you stay in sport. This gives you consistent behavior without daily button pressing. You can also minimize system activation by using auto hold instead of holding the brake pedal at stops. This reduces the conditions that trigger engine shutdown while maintaining convenience. The system is designed to be reliable, but disabling it eliminates one variable in your engine's operation if you prefer mechanical simplicity over efficiency optimization. Some owners also find that consistent engine operation reduces the minor vibrations and sounds associated with frequent restarts, creating a more refined driving experience that better matches traditional luxury car expectations. Setting number 2, the 10,000-mile service interval. Audi's standard service recommendation is every 10,000 miles or 12 months, based on laboratory testing with high-quality synthetic oil under controlled conditions. This interval works well for many owners, but may not suit everyone's priorities. The 10,000-mile interval is technically sound for normal driving conditions. Audi uses advanced synthetic oils specifically formulated for turbocharged engines that maintain protective properties longer than conventional oils. However, normal conditions rarely match real-world driving for many owners. Stop-and-go traffic, short trips, extreme temperatures, and dusty environments all accelerate oil degradation beyond laboratory test conditions. Enthusiasts often recommend 5,000 to 7,500 miles for severe conditions, providing additional safety margin, though it increases maintenance costs. The decision depends on your priorities and driving conditions. Lease customers and short-term owners may find the factory interval perfectly adequate, while long-term owners might prefer more frequent changes for peace of mind. Your MMI shows oil life data for informed timing. Use diagnostic tools or dealer for custom intervals if needed. This real-time data can help you make informed decisions about service timing based on actual oil condition rather than just mileage. Remember that more frequent oil changes don't void your warranty, but skipping required services can. Find the balance that works for your ownership goals and budget. The key consideration is understanding that Audi's 10,000-mile interval is validated for normal use, but severe driving conditions or personal preference for maximum protection margins may justify shorter intervals. This choice reflects your maintenance philosophy rather than a deficiency in Audi's engineering, allowing you to tailor your approach to match your specific driving patterns and long-term ownership goals. Setting number 3. Cylinder on Demand, COD. Cylinder on Demand appears in select V6 and V8 Audi models, deactivating half the cylinders under light loads to improve fuel efficiency. The system operates transparently, with an indicator showing active cylinders in your instrument cluster. COD is engineered to maintain proper oil circulation and temperature control across all cylinders, regardless of firing status. Audi's engine management handles the complexity automatically, switching between modes based on power demands. Some owners prefer the consistent feel of full cylinder operation over the subtle transitions that COD creates. The system doesn't cause reliability problems, but it does add mechanical complexity to the engine management system. Subtle transitions may be felt by some drivers, though this is purely a comfort consideration rather than a reliability concern. The system is designed to operate seamlessly within normal driving parameters. If you prefer consistent engine operation, dynamic or sport drive modes keep all cylinders active. These modes prioritize power availability over maximum efficiency, eliminating COD transitions. You can also influence COD behavior through your driving style. Slightly firmer throttle inputs keep the system in full cylinder mode without dramatically impacting fuel economy. The system requires no special maintenance and is designed for reliable long-term operation. Keeping it disabled simply reduces one variable in your engine's operation if you prefer mechanical predictability. Understanding your preferences helps you make the right choice between maximum efficiency and consistent engine behavior. For drivers who prioritize the traditional V6 or V8 experience with all cylinders firing consistently, disabling COD provides that classic engine character. Conversely, owners focused on fuel economy will appreciate the system's ability to reduce consumption during highway cruising and light load conditions without requiring any conscious effort or driving style changes. Setting number 4. Efficiency mode in Drive Select. Audi's Drive Select includes an efficiency mode that modifies throttle response, transmission behavior, and climate control to maximize fuel economy. This mode prioritizes efficiency over driving enjoyment and responsiveness. Efficiency mode encourages low RPM operation through softened throttle response and early transmission upshifts. While modern engine management prevents harmful conditions, some drivers find this operation style less engaging. The transmission programming in efficiency mode focuses on fuel economy, which some find less responsive than other drive modes. This represents a deliberate trade-off between maximum efficiency and immediate throttle response. Modern Audi engines include sophisticated knock detection and timing control that prevent harmful operating conditions regardless of drive mode. The engine management system maintains safe operation even under efficiency mode's parameters. For drivers who prefer more responsive operation, comfort or auto modes provide better balance between efficiency and driving enjoyment. These modes maintain reasonable fuel economy without the extreme efficiency focus. Auto mode is particularly effective because it adapts to your driving style automatically. Gentle driving maintains efficiency, while more spirited driving provides appropriate responsiveness. You can access Drive Select through MMI or dedicated console buttons depending on your model. The system remembers your selection, so you only need to change it once from any factory default you don't prefer. The choice between modes depends entirely on your priorities, maximum efficiency versus driving responsiveness and engagement. Efficiency mode also adjusts climate control settings to reduce energy consumption, which can affect cabin comfort during extreme weather conditions. Some drivers find these compromises worthwhile for the fuel economy benefits, while others prefer the more responsive and comfortable operation of comfort or auto modes for daily driving situations. Setting number 5. Understanding transmission service requirements. This isn't a setting you can change, but it's important information that affects long-term reliability. Audi's transmission service requirements vary significantly between different transmission types in their lineup. For DSG/S-tronic dual-clutch transmissions, service occurs around 40,000 miles. ZF automatics often follow 60,000-plus mile or condition-based schedules. This service is essential for proper mechatronic operation and clutch pack longevity in dual-clutch systems. The confusion arises because some marketing materials reference lifetime fluid, but this applies to different transmission types and specific operating conditions. Always consult your specific model's maintenance schedule for accurate requirements. Different Audi models use various transmission technologies, each with distinct service needs. The S-tronic dual-clutch system requires more frequent attention than conventional automatics due to its specialized hydraulic and clutch requirements. Severe conditions include towing, mountain driving, stop-and-go traffic, or extreme temperatures. These conditions accelerate fluid degradation and may require adjusted service intervals regardless of transmission type. Working with knowledgeable service providers helps ensure you follow appropriate maintenance schedules for your specific transmission and driving conditions. Proper documentation protects warranty coverage and resale value. The key is understanding your specific vehicle's requirements rather than assuming all Audi transmissions follow identical service schedules. Different technologies have different needs based on their mechanical complexity and operating principles. Proactive transmission maintenance is always less expensive than reactive repairs, regardless of which transmission type your Audi uses. Understanding the distinction between dual-clutch and conventional automatic service requirements helps you budget appropriately for long-term ownership. The specialized fluids and more complex service procedures for S-tronic systems reflect their advanced technology, while conventional automatics typically offer longer service intervals and lower maintenance costs as a trade-off for less aggressive performance characteristics. Making informed decisions about these settings. These 5 areas represent choices rather than mandatory changes. Your priorities, driving conditions, and ownership goals should guide your decisions about factory settings. Understanding the trade-offs helps you make informed choices. Disabling efficiency features may slightly reduce MPG for perceived simplicity, while keeping them active delivers the performance Audi engineered. Conversely, keeping efficiency features active delivers the fuel economy and emissions performance that Audi engineered into your vehicle. Neither approach is inherently right or wrong. Consider your typical driving conditions, planned ownership duration, and personal preferences when evaluating these settings. Short-term lease customers might prioritize differently than long-term owners. Important note: always consult your owner's manual and qualified service professionals before making significant changes to maintenance schedules or operating procedures. Individual driving conditions and vehicle specifications may require different approaches. How to adjust these settings safely. All of these adjustments use your Audi's built-in controls without requiring aftermarket modifications or dealer coding. You're simply choosing different factory options rather than bypassing engineered systems. Start with the most reversible changes first. Drive mode selection and start-stop preferences can be changed instantly and don't affect warranty coverage or long-term reliability. For maintenance interval adjustments, work with qualified service providers who understand both factory requirements and your specific goals. Proper documentation ensures warranty protection. Remember that these are personal preference choices designed to match your priorities rather than universal improvements. Different owners may reasonably make different decisions based on their circumstances. Your Audi's factory settings represent compromises designed for average owners and regulatory compliance. Understanding these settings allows you to optimize your vehicle for your specific priorities and driving style. Whether you choose maximum efficiency, enhanced reliability margins, or balanced operation depends on your individual circumstances. The important thing is making informed decisions rather than accepting defaults without consideration. These adjustments don't require special tools or modifications, just understanding of your options and their trade-offs. Your Audi ownership experience should match your priorities, not Audi's assumptions about average drivers. Disclaimer: always consult your owner's manual and qualified professionals before modifying maintenance schedules or operating procedures. Individual vehicles and driving conditions may require different approaches than general recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.